So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing some information on the PQ25 Direct TPMS setup, along with a demo of how it works. I'll also leave a few links to my thread in the description below, which have more technical information about this retrofit. Let's have a quick look at the required hardware for the PQ25 Direct TPMS retrofit. The PQ TPMS wiring is actually quite simple. The module connects to CAN bus powertrain, and it requires a +30 constant power supply and a ground connection. Those are the only few connections that you need. Ideally, the TPMS module is mounted on the bottom side of the vehicle in places like the rear bumper. But a retrofit TPMS can also be mounted on rear wheel arches from the inside of the vehicle. Mounting the sensors is something you typically leave to a tire shop, but here is the schematics in case you are interested.
This is the OEM tire pressure monitoring system, which I will just give you a demo about in like 30 seconds from now.
Honestly, once you install Direct TPMS, there's not really much that you have to do. Your Maxi.dot cluster will now display tire pressures from all 4 wheels once the sensors are detected. You also get a few new menus which let you select between part or full load profiles. If you have a few different types of tires that you use, then you can also configure different tire profiles. In my case, I have configured my 16-inch wheels to have a staggered and an equal tire profile. These values are fed to the TPMS unit through a parameter file. And that's basically how it all works. So that's pretty much it about this Direct TPMS retrofit on the PQ25 Polo from my side. Do let me know if you have any questions or need any help getting this on your car. So yeah, do check on your tire pressures on time, and happy motoring.